So good morning everybody. How's the day rolling? And look who we have here. The savage guy.
No more savage.
True shit. So now we're at the Borivali ticket counter. As you can see, it's quite crowded here. So now I'll be leaving to my respective college, that is Rizvi, Bandra Carters, and Harshal will be going to
ITM Jogeshwari.
So आज का हमारा वीडियो का हर्षल के साथ सफ़र यहीं तक था. But just for this video guys, he'll come back again for sure and all of our members will. So now today you're going to carry on with me. I'll be taking you all to the Carters Bandra. It's a beautiful place. Let's see how the day rolls. So hello, now we're at the Bandra station, heading towards Carter Road. Let's see how it goes. So now we're at the Bandra station. As you can see, it's a beautiful place and we're gonna head to an even more beautiful place. So now I'll guide you all a little how to get to Carter Road. Like what I did was, I took a slow train from Borivali, got into it. I got quite a good place to sit and all, and then now I'm at Bandra. If you're alone like me, you can go for a share rickshaw. You'll just cost 15 rupees, like mere 15 bucks, and you'll be at Carter Road. But if you're like a group of 3 and all, you could a better option would be taking a normal private rickshaw. It'll get you there at a cheaper rate. So let's go. So now we have Uncle Carter Road. Chaloge?
चलो बैठो.
Chalo, let's go. Now we're at the Carter Road. Just now a very sad thing happened with me. I had a good chat with the rickshaw guy and it did not get recorded. Yes, it did not get recorded. But it's okay, it's fine. We'll carry on. We're still going to have a lot of fun. So now I'm at the Carter Road. I said it's going to be a beautiful place, and here we have the banner or the installation by Puma which says Mumbai #laced up. So I'm waiting for the official to get here, the guy who will, we're going to have a little chat with him, ask him what's it all about, and till then let's have a little bit of fun. Got some sweet dudes dancing out here. Let's have a look at them. They're practicing, I don't know about what, but then they're doing quite good. Till those official guys come here, this is all I've got to do. So I'll just take you a little closer to that model so you guys can have a better look, and you can come here too. It's a beautiful thing. Here it is. It's made up of few laces and it's really beautiful. Yeah, here. So you guys can come here at the Carter Road, have a look at it and have some real good fun. So now I've been waiting here for so long and the main guy is still not here, but then I found just one guy, so we'll have a little chat with him before he leaves too. हेलो अंकल जी, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं ये किस बारे में है? ये पूमा का इनिशिएटिव है.
पूमा का है, नेटफिट करके नया शूज़ लॉन्च हुआ है.
Okay, so guys, it's about a launch of a new shoes of the brand Puma. अंकल ये सिर्फ मुंबई में लगा है या और भी कहीं है ये?
नहीं, दिल्ली और बैंगलोर.
Okay, so guys, it's just in 3 places in the entire India: Delhi, Bangalore, and Mumbai Carters. So I'm glad I'm here. अंकल ये कब तक यहाँ रहने वाला है?
ये 2 दिन और रहेगा.
So guys, I'm glad I came here. It's just here for more 2 days. So if you've not been here yet, come here soon. It's a beautiful place, a beautiful thing to watch. I'll make you guys see it again. It's made up of completely lace. There's a lot of guys coming here, so we come here soon. Okay, so guys, now the Puma official is here. He says he knows everything, so we'll go talk to him, have a word with him. So here you are. Hello,
Hey
bro.
guys, good afternoon. What's up?
What's your name, brother?
My name's Danan, man.
Here we have Danan. So guys, can you please give it a short idea about what is this and what's the initiative? Why has it been put up here?
Okay, so basically this is put up by Puma. Puma is coming out with this new pair of shoes called NetFit, okay? So the good thing about NetFit is how in your normal shoes you tie your laces and cross, right? So in Puma, the idea behind this is you can tie your laces anyhow, however convenient it is. So you want a square, you want a triangle, however, and you can just tie it.
Like,
so laced up is all behind that.
Isn't that cool, guys? So thank you so much.
Welcome,
and
man.
can you tell us anything more about this? I've heard that it's just in 3 places in the whole India.
Yeah. It's in Bangalore, it's in Delhi, and it's in Mumbai. So I'd suggest you all come here, click pictures, upload it on social media, and don't forget to put the hashtag. Also tag YouTube. Thank you, guys.
Hashtag laced up. Thank you so
you.
much. Thank you, brother. Thank you for giving us your precious time.
No problem.
Nice
man.
meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you.
So this was our vlog for today. It was great fun. I'm not ending the vlog yet. I'll be talking to you all while I'm going my way back home. So I know I'm fumbling a little. It's my first try. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. Well, so yeah, it was a beautiful yet a tiring day. Met a lot of people, talked to a lot of people, talked to you all. It was great. So now I'll be heading back home. let's say final bye to Carter's. Bye-bye. Thank you for being such a good place. Thank you, people. We'll be back. So here we go. I'm back at Bandra Station. Now I'll be heading back to home. I'll be showing a little bit of more clips, adding some more clips of me getting back home. So it was a great experience. Now heading back to home. Thank you. So well, now I'm back home. It was a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me. I'm gonna work hard again and again. It was my first try, so I hope you guys liked it. And just that, I won't do those mandatory things such as telling you all to subscribe, like and all. You guys are a smart audience. I'm sure you'll do it yourself. So thank you so much. Till then, stay safe, drive safe and ride safe. Bye-bye.